Whether you're building a shed or crafting furniture, a benchtop planer is a game changer for smoothing and flattening wood. Unlike industrial planers, these portable versions are perfect for home projects, reducing thickness and eliminating rough spots. Sure, they come with a price tag, around $400 or more, but if you're serious about woodworking, the investment is worth it. We put cutting performance, price, and portability to the test, so you can grab perfection in a package. Now plane away pesky problems for polished results thanks to our top tool tests. At number 5, we have the Delta Power Tools 22 to 555 13 inches. Portable thickness planer. This planer is the best for its dust port, making it easy to manage debris during work. There's a lot to like about this benchtop planer, but of all its features, the reversible dust port is what makes it a standout. Being able to collect wood chips from the front or back is certainly handy, and potentially cuts down on the amount of time it takes to complete a job. Its knife system is another plus that helps make quick work of projects. The dual-edge blades are disposable, so there's no need to fiddle with alignment jigs. Other highlights of this 15-amp thickness planer include a 13-inch maximum board width, 10,000 RPM maximum speed, and lightweight build. Plus, it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. In fourth place, it's the Makita 2012 NB 12 inches. Portable planer. This planer is the most compact, ideal for those with limited workspace. If your workshop lacks space, this 12-inch benchtop planer is worth a look. It's compact and quieter than most at only 83 dB, and its 15-amp motor provides plenty of power. It's also considerably stable, designed with a proprietary automated head clamp to keep boards secure while you work. That translates to better performance overall. Plus, the portable planer has a quick feed rate of about 28 feet per minute. There's no doubt that it's an impressive package, but for the price, the 1-year warranty is a definitely shortfall. At number 3, we have the WinPL 1326 benchtop thickness planer. This planer is the best helical option, offering superior smoothness and precision. This one planer offers wide-ranging versatility by accommodating boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick. With 26 staggered HSS blades, this planer can easily create a smooth finish on any type of wood. As is typical with helical models, this type of Cutterhead commands a higher price. This model has a price tag roughly $140 higher than the comparable Win model with a straight blade Cutterhead. Many users seem to feel it is worth the investment, though, with online reviewers raving about its accuracy and easy operation. The solid, cast-iron base ensures optimal stability. Coming in at number 2, we have the Craftsman CMEW 320 benchtop planer. This planer is the best budget option, delivering reliable performance at a more affordable price. This Craftsman wood planer is a reliable yet surprisingly budget-friendly choice in the benchtop category. The 15-amp motor can power the double-edged reversible blades at speeds of 8,000 RPM. The Poly-V Cutterhead drive and double-edged high-carbon steel knives enable a high degree of versatility, meaning it will easily handle any type of wood and has no trouble with glued materials. It can accommodate board widths of 12.5 inches and allows cuts of up to 1/8 inch deep. Users rave about its smooth operation and easy setup. Add a dust collection system to the built-in dust chute to minimize mess. And in the top spot, at number 1, it's the DeWalt DW735X 2-speed thickness planer. This planer is the best overall, known for its exceptional power, durability, and consistent results. This DeWalt 2-speed high-capacity benchtop planer is a powerful, solid workhorse. It boasts 10,000 RPM speeds to power cuts up to 1/8 inch in depth. The 3-knife Cutterhead design means blades last longer and replacing them is easier. Choose the speed that works best for your purposes. 96 cuts per inch would be a good choice for dimensioning and 179 cuts per inch for finishing. The benchtop planer has a sturdy 19.75-inch cast aluminum base that provides a solid, rigid foundation. The automatic carriage lock is a big help in snipe reduction. The fan-assisted chip ejection keeps chips out of the way and away from the Cutterhead. This 735X model is identical to the 735, but includes feed tables and extra blades. We hope you found the perfect portable planer to boost all your projects. Now install your new Surface Pro and plane away imperfections. Enjoy flawless finishes that float off the bed. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking reviews. Thanks for watching.